This is the way to stop all we are going up on the top of the hill.
You leave off one word.
What that?
Legally.
Don't say another word. May I go up on the unfair.
Say less.
2 pair.
2 pair.
I will let them go over there.
Let them go over there.
You want video?
Yeah.
And picture?
I have to have the video there. You see the picture, the video?
Yeah.
Me did plan to get them, but since I just deal with it, because you gotta take it.
Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man.
I may have 2 of my little youth them way. Go trod with me. I will go over there because I realize that them are lock off the top of the hill. Wicked enough.
Keep it off the grid as far as them is concerned. It's just a natural nature lover. 1, 2 pair for it.
Don't worry
That's a
yourself.
big land space.
King man.
Yeah.
Numbers ever fail you yet?
Never. Never lie. I'm going to say your business, so I don't not take no only for your time in bro. So,
Don't worry yourself.
Anglican.
You
Yeah.
got this.
I know that. Yeah.
Up in a hill, me I going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To the hills. Place of refuge. But there, yeah.
Ah. 4 iguana coming right up.
Babe, that's irresponsible, you know, man.
You never know the police would have come down here for a smart party like that.
Be nice and make, you know, the neighbor them, I go call the police them. There's a thing called Noise Abatement Act, Kareem.
Nice abatement. Them abate. A bad mind, them bad mind, babes.
Please don't be wrong and strong.
Babes, you realize much tourists today here? We do things with tourism and at that them a mash up.
Kareem, we're licensed by the tourist board,
No, but
but nothing. Listen, if the music go above certain level, the people them I go call, and you not have the permit.
but that never my party. I don't mean them come to babes.
Then no you charging for use the place, babe?
Yeah, babe, see, listen, me charge the man for use the place. They say I'm making money that. Me couldn't turn down that.
But babe, every venue supposed to have a permit.
Key, I out a door that. Not even have covering.
But Kareem, you charge feet. People see us as a scammer, you know?
Which scammer? I'm a virgin that. Him knows everything good, man. Me not scam him. No, me not scam him.
Yeah, say nah scam him like you'd scam other people.
Come on, man. You know what I mean.
And me did have to call the station to see who they on patrol. And that's why when I get charged, you know.
Oh, cause you know say me the reason one of them. And me see one of them like we are run the squad, go on him phone. Me never know say you. You're powerful though.
I never me directly. I just call somebody for talk to them.
Alright. But babe, really and truly, me think of take it into consideration and always have ears of your video. Because someone link me and ask me if I'm a response for it, if I do business. I'm telling him say, yeah man, if you do live, so I don't have something to come in so we can make money.
I not object to it, but we need to apply for a permit. So it's either you are gonna apply or the person who keep the party are gonna apply.
Alright babes, quick maths. Anybody want the venue, pay a deposit, get the permit, and everything good.
And you're sure that gonna work? If we are give them the space, and I think we have to get the permit.
Babes, every promoter have to have them permit. The venue itself might have them entertainment license, but the promoter them have to have them permit. I ain't going to jail.
But we don't have an entertainment license, and we have to consider that, or else we are getting in trouble.
Babes, we can apply for it, you know. We can apply for the license, but we can't go and juggle the same way. Because after all, here so is a designated dancehall district.
And that is why we have to have everything in order. As a dancehall district, them expect everything to be in order.
Well, that make only for sense. Babe, Saturday, say laugh. It was a vibe.
Yeah? Tell me about it, because that's me reach the party done.
Tell her. I show me a story. Yeah man, a big dancer. Me say one time stand up, let me see a song give them. I'm see a song. When the song goes up, tick, 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 boom! I shall me, yes man, I shall me. I be a good man, spend the man get. The man to big dance. Any boy not they get bun up. Any boy not get bun up. Yeah?
So, I that alone go on because I see some white girl and some man that dagger them. So, which part you did them time?
Oh, them time there. I get some ice because the body run out of ice and everything there. So I really see what I want this one. But the ice me not get them time there.
Okay, so you like get ice them time here?